Hey everybody, this is Sullen, 5 freaking onion rings, and today I have discovered my superpower. It's very traumatic to me. I have been trying to fly EmiFlight Point 3 for several days now, and every day the same thing happens with the freaking weather. So I want to thank you for stopping in. I want to thank you for being awesome, and I want to thank you for continuing to come back. And I want to thank you for putting up with a lack of content lately, which is driving me crazy, but the rain keeps freaking pouring, and I don't understand it. It just keeps pouring. I feel like there's someone staring at me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I appreciate y'all. Y'all make me happy. Very, very happy. See the joy in my eye. Very happy. The joy, it's right there in my eye. Because y'all make me so happy. So very happy. Wait, joy. It's right there. No, it's right there. There it is. Yeah. That's the joy.
Okay, Google. Turn off the lights.